What is up, everybody? It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video, and here is a fresh one that is about to come out. Here's something new. Notice that? Cool. So recently I've put on clip-ons on the Tuono 660, and I share this across various internet, I want to say, platforms, social media, whatever you want to call it. And I've been actually getting a lot of questions on how I've achieved this mod with the Tuono. So I did not replace the lower triple from an RS. I did not get the top triple, an aftermarket one from like Bonamici or Woodcraft. I actually maintained and used all of my stock parts. The only thing that's aftermarket is technically, since it comes in a set or a pair, it is the Woodcraft 35mm riser clip-ons. And as you can see, I have already shaved off the actual handlebar mount of my top triple. So I guess the next natural question comes down to, how does this sit compared to a RS660? Well, you're in luck. So I have a friend who actually has a RS660 Extrema, if you want to call it out. It's a special livery. It's a special livery, and it's limited. However, everything else is the same as a stock RS660. Handlebar, everything else. And check it out. Look at the difference. Do you actually see the difference of the angle, the height, compared to a stock RS660? Again, for me, I had zero issues with clearance. I had zero issues with rideability. I actually loved it. Honestly, I felt very comfortable. I felt right at home. Can't complain about it. People have mentioned that, maintaining or retaining the stock Tuono suspension with the same offset might make the bike a little bit twitchy. But for me, when I rode 2 days in a row at the same track, so I really got to test the bike out in a very similar or same environment, and had no issues. Zero problems. Nada. Well, chopper's coming, so it's gonna kill my audio. Good time to end the video. Okay, guys, bye.